Good afternoon, sir. My name is Supriya, and these are my teammates. So we had made project on Bohr's atomic model. So in this project, we have told that how the electrons are arranged in an atom. But before going to that, we should know the structure of the atoms. So this is a structure of atom in which these are electrons, these are protons, and these are neutrons. Together they form neutrons. And these are the electron transmission, how the electrons transfer, how the electron gain or lose electromagnetic radiation. And this is the Bohr's atomic model in which he told that atoms are arranged in a way that it do not radiate energy. But Rutherford do not able to define that how the atoms are arranged in an atom. To overcome the objection raised on Rutherford, he made this model to identify how electrons are arranged in an atom.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Atifa from Standard 9th, and I am going to describe the theory of Bohr's atomic model. And in an atom, there is a subatomic, negatively charged subatomic particle called electron, and electron which move around the nucleus on a non-radiating orbit, and the total angular momentum on an orbit remain constant, where L is equal to mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. And here is a model of transmission of electron. There is a high shell and a lower shell. When electron move from lower to higher shell, it get excited and gain energy, and after gaining energy, it get transmitted from lower to higher shell. And when electron move from higher to lower shell, it release energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sayungita. I am going to explain about the advantages of Bohr's atomic model. Bohr's atomic model helped the scientists to understand the arrangement of electrons and the emission of light from waves. It also helps us to know about the cells K, L, M, and N. It also helps us to determine the number of electrons present in a cell by the formula 2n square. If the number of electrons is 2, we know about the K cell, which can hold maximum number of 2 electrons, and the number of electrons is 2. We know about the L cell, which can hold a maximum of 8 electrons. Thank you.